Please inspect and clean Roomba's right wheel. Please inspect and clean Roomba's right wheel.
What's wrong with the Roomba? Okay, what's wrong with Roomba? It was working before you tossed it, didn't it? No, don't cry. Don't cry. You have to tell me what you did to it. It's a big boo-boo, huh? Alright, I'll let you work on it, alright? You have any idea what could have happened to it? Hmm? Want to talk about it? Or you're gonna play the silent treatment? Play the fifth, huh? Don't give me the look. We've been wondering for a while why the Roomba wasn't coming out. Seems like every time it comes out, it runs into trouble. Yes, we will cheer. Let's clap. It's not the game assignment.